So Jamb 2026 candidate, this now the question where be say put many of our Jamb UTME candidates for here for one chance. Now the question now be this. So as he put us for one chance, I say make I come rescue because that's what I do, okay? And I promise you guys in the post that I am going to drop the explanation to the question as soon as I see your comment. So I saw you guys' comment and this is the explanation to the question. But I must tell you guys, this explanation to this question, e long go, e no too dey straightforward, but if you focus, you settle down, listen to me well, you go understand the explanation to this question. All you need to do now to know the formula. This one, you know if you escape formula for this one, you know say I dey tell una say normally get question wey be say if you dey solve, you fit dey escape some kind of formula, use some kind of bypassing, you go get the answer. But for this question wey dey here, e no be like that too. This one dey a little bit complicated, okay? So, but trust me, I go make am look very easy for you. So grab your pen and your paper and let's go. So the question read, a block with an initial speed of 10 meters per second slides on a horizontal surface and comes to rest after traveling a distance of 25 meters. The class question say, what is the coefficient of kinetic friction between the block and the surface? Take gravity, acceleration due to gravity now, 9.8 meters per second square. So this is easy if you know the formula. It's very easy. So what do we have to do? First of all, we are going to use kinematic and friction. That's what we are going to use. As you see here, use kinematic and friction. What is kinematic? Movement. It deals with movements. The kind of calculation we go use for moving objects, okay? Especially moving objects and motion under gravity. That's why you use kinematic and friction. Why is friction part of it? Because remember, this block was slide on a horizontal surface. It just be like surface here. This is horizontal. Then I carry block, come put on top. Okay? This is the block. And the block was slided on the horizontal surface like this. Okay, slided on the horizontal surface. So there is friction, okay, under the block, friction D. Okay, so that's it. And it get formula. Solving objects on the horizontal surface, it gets formula where they use to the solve. But we never arrive at that one. When we arrive at that one, we go do one. So make we continue. The options where they give us for here, the first option now 0.2, 0.5, 0.4, 0.1. Some people get the answer for comment section. Normally we get scholars, okay? Some sabi pass some, but last we go still carry everybody along. Make sure say everybody achieve the same goal. Maybe to score higher for this Jamb UTME 2026. It go reach your hand. That high score, 300 and above, it go reach your hand. So just lend me your ear, get your pen and your paper so that you will still practice them. You see this horizontal surface question, I swear, Jamb to the repeat them. They like to repeat it. They come out almost every year for Jamb UTME. Anything sliding object for horizontal surface, sometimes they go bring inclined plane. If they don't bring inclined plane on, they go bring vertical surface. If they don't bring vertical surface, they'll bring horizontal surface. If they don't bring horizontal surface, they'll bring pulley. But leave all those ones. Now small we're going to treat them. Okay, so since we use kinematics and friction, I tell you why we use kinematics and friction. Okay, so we go come write out all the things where they give us to solve this question. Okay, all the things where they give us to solve the question. Now we go write come out. So what did they give us here? Remember, if you look the question, they gave us what? Initial what? Speed. Okay, so now we say we go use the equation of motion. So they give us what? Initial velocity. And what's the initial velocity? The first velocity. Initial, the beginning of the race or the beginning of the slide, the first velocity where they start the sliding. Okay, because velocity where object they start to the move. If you know the velocity where go they stop, okay, you don't go be the same velocity where go they stop. There must be a difference between the initial and the final velocity. So maybe just for understand. So we they write out all the things where they give us. The first way we say we they write for here now this 10 meters per second will be the initial velocity. And you know say initial velocity is represented by u. See and for here. See and for here. 10 meters per second. Okay, 10 meters per second. That be the initial velocity. So the final velocity now 0. Why the final velocity now 0? Because say if you read the question, you see where they say it comes to rest. That's the final velocity. After covering the distance, they don't tell us say it came to rest at so velocity or at so speed. Just as the right hand for here. They just only tell us say it come to rest. That's the thing don't already stop. So now 0. The final velocity now 0. Now I make you see 0 here. So this s where they here now equal to the weighting. It's equal to the distance where we say it take come to rest. That be this s where they here. So then the gravity where they give us now g equal to 9.8 meters per second square. Acceleration due to gravity. That's that. Shikina, very easy. So you know how equation of motion they be now. So now all these things now they give us. All these things where they see for here. So now they give us. But see what we want to do now. When we use equation of motion to solve this thing now, we are going to use the third equation of motion, okay, which is v squared equal to u squared plus 2as. Because say we get s, they give us s. How they choose the equation of motion where you will use? Then they choose am according to wetin they give you for the question. You can't look on the equation of motion, which one dey pass, and wetin you define. Now be wetin you still know, because all the equation of motion no be everything dey completely. Like some equation of motion, you see S, this S so e no dey. Okay, you still get another formula wey be say instead of you to put 2as for this place, you can put 2gs based on say you dey calculate acceleration due to gravity. But if you look here, wetin the same will calculate? The same will calculate the coefficient of kinetic friction. How is the same will calculate acceleration due to gravity? Just put 2gs here, solve, just get your answer once, come on there. But here the Congo same will calculate coefficient of kinetic friction. So we go need to bring out that A, that acceleration. When we substitute wetin we get for here into this formula wey dey here, so see the formula v square equal to u square plus 2as. See am here, see am here. Remember say v na 0. Okay, if you come put square, 0 times 0 na wetin? 0. Now make you get am here as 0 equal to the next wey we get for the equation na u square. When we look at wetin they give us for u, they give us 10. Okay, 10 meter per second. So we come put am 10 square plus the next thing we will get for there na 2as. We no get A, they no give us A, so now S, they give us this S, which is the distance. Okay, so that distance will be S, we will come put on 2A bracket, see the distance there will be S, which is 25. Okay, so if we come solve 10 times 10 now waiting 100, now the 100 you see for here, so plus 2 times 25, that A go there. 2 times 25 now waiting 50. So we come dey left with 0 equal to 100 plus 50A. Hope say you dey make your notes, hope say you dey write. So we'll come finally get A is equal to minus 2 meter per second square. So what we'll come do for here, because say 50 get A, 100 no get A, we'll come do wetin? We'll come collect like terms. This 0 will cross equal to sign, come this side, it will come carry minus, it will come be minus 0. This 50 wey dey here, 50A wey dey here, wey be say na plus e carry, e go cross this equal to sign, come this side wey 0 be dey before, e go come be minus 50. Be minus 50A equal to 100 minus 0. So 100 minus 0 is equal to what? 100. So divide both sides by what? 50. We will come dey left with 50A equal to 100. When you divide both sides by 50, 50 will come dey up, 100 will dey down. 50 will dey up, 100 will come dey down. So you come divide both sides by 50. 100 divided by 50, it will give you 2. But remember say when 50 dey here, now minus 50A e be. Answer come in minus 2. So let's move on. So since we don't get this acceleration, okay, you know say now acceleration be the A where we dey look for since. We don't get her now. See the acceleration here. Now be this is minus 2 meter per second square. We will come use am, take use the friction on the horizontal surface formula, take get the answer. The formula now we want to do so. For motion on a rough horizontal surface, the formula now be this. Acceleration is equal to what? This thing, this coefficient times acceleration due to gravity. So since we dey look for this coefficient here, this thing will be like u, now be the coefficients. So where we dey look for? Since we dey look for am, we go come make am the first for the formula. That thing wey they call subject of formula. You go make am the first since now you dey look for. And when you make am the first, normal basic mathematics rule, if you carry this one come here, it go come be A over G. It no go be A times G o. If you carry this U thing come this side, carry A cross equal to sign, it go come be A over G, no be A times G o. Now be wetin we get for here. So U is equal to A over G equal to, then we come substitute. Wetin we get for our acceleration? Our acceleration na minus 2. Now be this way you dey see for here. So minus 2 over 9.8, which is gravity, acceleration due to gravity wey they give us 9.8. You remember? See am here. See am here. Gravity, acceleration due to gravity 9.8. So when we solve that one, minus 2 over 9.8, it will come give us 0.20. 0.20. 0.20 is the same thing as 2. So the correct answer is 0.2. That's the what? The coefficient of kinetic friction. So see the formula for here. For horizontal surface, so they get vertical surface, so they get inclined plane. So make we go look the options. So the first option we there na 0.2, second option 0.5, third option 0.4, fourth option 0.1. Waiting be the answer. Drop the correct answer for the comment section. Thank you so much for taking this lecture. Do not forget to appreciate me in the comment section and follow me on all social media platforms at Nkwado Augustine. Congratulations on earning your mark because Jamb always repeats this question yearly. Jamb 2026 candidates, I too know book. Peace.